I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the car is safe to work on. Parked, engine off, handbrake on, and the battery charged to at least 4 volts. Once done, plug an OBD2 scanner into the diagnostic port and read all stored trouble codes and freeze-frame data. Write them down or photograph the screen. Make sure to note any dash warnings or recent occurrences that preceded limp mode, because those codes guide the next repair steps and tell you whether a simple reset will help. Once you have the codes, clear non-persistent fault codes with your scanner, then start the car to test whether safe mode disengages. If it persists, inspect electrical and sensor systems that commonly cause limp mode: battery terminals and voltage, main fuses, throttle body, mass airflow sensor, vacuum lines, and visible wiring to affected components. Make basic repairs where appropriate. Clean the throttle or MAF. Resecure or replace loose hoses or blown fuses, because restoring correct sensor input often returns the ECU to normal operation. Now complete the recovery. After repairs or a battery reconnect, clear codes again and start the engine, allowing it to idle for 2 to 5 minutes so systems reinitialize. Once stable, perform a short drive cycle, gentle acceleration, a steady cruise at highway speed if safe, then normal stops to let the ECU relearn parameters. If limp mode reappears, retest codes immediately. Key troubleshooting tip: check battery and alternator output, or seek a technician for ECU diagnostics and possible reflash, as recurring faults usually indicate a deeper issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.